Recovery isn't just about stopping harmful behaviors, it's also about building a mindset that supports balance and resilience. This is where unconditional other-acceptance comes in. It's recognizing that everyone, just like you, is doing their best and deserves acceptance, even if they sometimes make mistakes or do things you don't like. When people behave in ways we don't agree with or are harmful to us, we often seek justice of some kind. This might come in the form of an apology or seeing them get punished. When we think about them, we might use phrases like, "they should be punished," or "they must apologize," or we might overgeneralize and think, "they always get away with it," or "they are the worst person ever." We move forward by not projecting retribution outward, but by remembering that while we can't control others, we can control our own responses to others. With unconditional other-acceptance, when someone else's actions bother you, take a moment to think about the person as a whole. Remember that everyone has their struggles and deserves understanding. We don't need to forgive them, just accept them without condition. This doesn't mean you have to accept bad behavior. Instead, it's about seeing the whole person and understanding that we're all human. When we truly accept others, we can feel more balanced and less likely to cope with difficult emotions by engaging in addictive behaviors. Remember, acceptance doesn't mean forgiveness. It means having the courage to make the most of whatever comes your way. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.